Well, welcome in today, guys. Thanks for joining us here at 2S Droner and RC. And on the bench today, you can see I have my Arrma Typhon 223 BLX. And anybody who's been watching the channel knows that I've had this thing for, almost a year now. And it's pretty much stock apart from a few things that I added to it. A wing that I changed out to the 6S wing just because it's a little bit more flexible, and an upgraded bumper that I put on. There's still an Arrma brown bumper from one of the trucks, but apart from that, she's pretty much stock. I have ran it with different wheels you've seen on different videos, but you can see it's had a little bit of wear. It's a little bit worse for the wear. It's lost its side skirting here, and we've replaced it with the stickers. We look underneath the hood here, you can see still the stock electronics. Had to do a little bit of repairing on the wires because they came apart, and I lost my drive shaft protector here, and this clip broke just pulling this out to do general maintenance. The turnbuckles are original. I'm going to switch those out, and I'm going to switch the chassis out because I did have a front end collision and put a crack in the chassis right there, and that's kind of what spurred this whole thing along. I don't want it to just snap in half. So I went on Jenny's RC and I picked up a new chassis for it and some new turnbuckles. And I have another upgrade that I'm doing, so I picked up the whole motor and everything mount for that. So I'm going to use half of that, and then my drive shaft protector. So we're going to give her a revamp. We're going to do a little bit of work to it. We'll get some new wheels on it, and we'll make some videos along the way, let you see how she revamps, and when you finally see her at the end of it, she will be as good as new. So if you like our videos, you like our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and we'll see you in future videos.